G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now I am going to create a SharePoint or Microsoft list using my voice, complete with columns and options in those columns, and then I'm going to populate that list with data from an Excel spreadsheet, all using my voice in under 5 minutes. That's the challenge. Let's see what we can do. And this is part of the new AI in SharePoint. So I'm in my SharePoint site. Let's start the clock. In my SharePoint site, can you please create a list called Client Index? The title column should be called Client Name, and I need columns for email address, postal address, contact name, email address, status with the options for current and non-current, client type, vendor or supplier. Okay, I'm just talking to Copilot here or AI in SharePoint. Now we have the ability to create SharePoint lists directly from the chat interface. All right, so you can see here, this is working away. It's creating, I've got a table of my columns. There they are: name, address, postal address, contact name, status, which is the choice, current and non-current, client type, vendor or supplier. We now have a list. Would you like me to take me directly to that list? Take me directly to the list, please. Okay. Let's see what happens, right? Now, we're going to have a spreadsheet and we're going to use that spreadsheet to populate the data. Let's now open up the spreadsheet. So I've got client name, client type. I'll just make sure that all these match. So client name, client type, that's good. I've got address. Let's just change this to postal address. We've got contact name, email, status, contract renewal. Okay, we don't have that in our list. So maybe what we'll do is let's update our list. Can you please add a date column called contract renewal? Okay, so again, using my voice, let's see if we can just add this column. All right. Good. I'll add the contract renewal date. Do you contact that? Let me do that for you. We're looking good. Successfully added. There's the new column. Now, let's say, let's look for our client list. Okay. So clients, there it is. Can you please add the clients that are listed in this spreadsheet to our new client index list, please? Let's have a look and see what happens, right? So I've got my clients list in a spreadsheet. It's first looking at the client file to see what the client data is, what it looks like. Also checking the schema for the list to understand what columns are available. So let's see what happens, all right? Reading the list, reading the spreadsheet, thinking about it, found the client data from the spreadsheet. Let me discover the client index. Now let me get the schema. So we're doing some good things here. Got all the information I need. Now I need to convert the Excel serial dates to proper dates. Perfect. Add clients. Let me format the dates first. Now let me add all clients to the list and convert them, the Excel serial dates to proper dates. So let's have a look. All right. Doing it. Well, how's the time? Yep, we're still under time. Thinking, come on, Copilot, let's get cracking. We've got 10 clients to add. I haven't typed anything yet. Successfully added. There are the clients. Look at that. Under 5 minutes. Done. Dates, types, addresses, email addresses, exactly that like the spreadsheet has got. Now that is, if you've been working in SharePoint for quite some time, the thought of being able to talk, create a list, columns, add items to the list from a spreadsheet, all in under a couple of minutes using your voice, amazing. Now, let's see what else we can do. can you make this list look a little bit prettier, please? So for our choice columns, let's look at adding maybe some pills with different colors, please. Okay, let's see if this agent can help us with this, all right? Add color pill formatting to the choice, status, client type. So it's picked up what columns are of what type. Now applying the pill formatting to each of these. So let me just scroll across here. Green pill, red pill, there we go. All right, so vendors are blue, suppliers are purple. That looks excellent. Now, let's do some conditional formatting, right? So let's highlight any clients that have got a renewal date this month. So can we just add some view formatting here, please? So any client that has a contract renewal date this month, I want that client to be highlighted in red, please. All right, so let's see what happens. So again, just speaking this out, explaining what I want it to do, and let's see if we can get this formatting sorted as well, all right? So thinking, current view information, looking at the list schema. So we've got the new right columns. Yes, it's picked up the right column, which is this one, which is good. Now apply the view formatting to highlight the rows. I've applied the client index list now, which it hasn't done. All right, so let's just go backwards and forwards here, right? That has not worked. Can you try again? Okay, let's have a look. View formatting can be a little bit tricky. Let's see if we can fix this up, all right? Trying a different approach, use a more reliable method. Good. Sounds good. There's the red highlight, right? So we've got this row that has now been highlighted. It's explained to me what it's done. So it's used the get month and get year functions, which should be more reliable, okay? So let's close this agent down. Let's have a look, okay? So there's my view formatting. Excellent. Got my pills, got my list, all done with the agent. Okay, no behind the scenes, no list settings, no anything like that. We have just created that mostly via voice and via AI in SharePoint. So I hope that brings you some value today. This is not coming, this is here, okay? See you in the next one.